Hey, just for your information, this video is only part of the complete video that is linked in the top right hand corner. So should you be interested in more hands-on Galaxy S8 Plus Pro Mod tutorials, definitely go check that out. And now let's get on with this one. Once you're inside the camera app, swipe right across the screen, then select Pro to enter Pro mode. And now let me show you how you can take maximum close-up shots with the S8 Plus in the most simple way. Once in Pro mode, come to autofocus, go to manual focus and drag all the way down here to the little flower icon. Now you've set the focus to the max close limit. And this is how you're going to take your max close-up shots. Now, this way, instead of closing in on a subject and then fiddling with the focal plane, you simply move the smartphone until the image is in focus. Way more easy to get maximum close-up shots. By the way, using a wide-angle converter like this one right here from Moment will allow you to get even closer. So that's it for this tutorial. Once again, this video is just part of the complete video that is linked in the top right hand corner. So again, should you be interested in more hands-on Galaxy S8 Plus Pro Mod tutorials, definitely go check that out. If you liked this one, if you found it helpful, please make sure to leave a thumbs up, it's greatly appreciated. Any kind of comment or feedback is welcome and I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. All the tech that I've used in this video is linked in the description. As always, thank you so much for your time, thank you for watching, and hopefully see you again soon.